Welcome to Rosie Variety TV. Saying good morning, good evening, good afternoon to you all, depending on your time zone. Today we are going to treat something different. Some of my subscribers reached out to me and told me that they wanted their story to be heard. It's okay, no problem. Among them, I'm going to read out one that got my attention. I have about 3 here with me on the table, but I'll read only one. But don't worry, I'm going to read out every other letter on my next video. Thank you. After going through this letter, I felt weird and strange. I don't understand why our men, they treat us like that. Can I say because they don't have work? Is it because they're afraid of their parents? Why? That's the question. I just really want us to know. We will say what we need to say. The thing is that you are a woman. You choose the life you want to live. That is the truth. I can read the letter now. It said, good afternoon, ma. Rosie Variety TV. My name is blah, blah, blah. I'm 25 years old. My fiancé abandoned me with my pregnancy. I had 2 abortions and I refused to remove the 3rd one. I later find out that he has a wife with 3 kids. After 5 years, he wanted me back because he heard that I am a manager in oil company. What do I do? That's the question. What will she do? She should come back or she should refuse going back? Anyway, I have a question to throw to the public right now. My question is, why do you think a woman will think of accepting a man who abandoned her with pregnancy, even after finding out that this man had a wife with 3 kids? That's one question. My third question is, why do men like cheating like that, like this? And they don't like telling us the truth. That's the question. And what I want to say, my guests, my young ones that are coming up, not this one that happened now. Please, if you have a relationship, no matter how you look like, please try and find out more about that person. It might be not the same village, not the same town, not the same country, but it does not matter. What you need to do, look for somebody that's close to you. It might be a friend, it might be your sister, it might be your brother. Tell that person, pay that person, let that person go to the man's village. Let the person stay at least 1 week to find out all those things. There's something I want to say on this video. Please knock before you enter, so that you will not see what you don't want to see. What am I trying to say? Had it been this lady find out more about this man I don't think would have fallen into this victim. Yes, I felt bad. This story touched me because all of us know that it is a struggle bringing up children when there's no father or no father around you. We all know that. Do you know that this thing can lead to anxiety? Do you know that this thing can lead to depression? Loneliness is there. Shock will enter at the same time. She'll be feeling bad because she did not expect it. But I don't know. According to this letter, it's not all of them, or everything here I read. She said when she was moving out with this man, she was doing everything for the family. That's for the sister of the man. She was doing everything. Make sure she cook for them. She sweep the house, clean everywhere, prepare everything for them. And after this lady got pregnant, they abandoned her. Even during the courtship, they didn't tell her that this my brother is married. Are you not wicked? This my brother is married though. At least he could have told her so that she would know what to do. That was why I said, you are only a woman. You choose the life you live. You understand? And even they told her, she will decide for herself what she wants. It's very bad. And during the pregnancy, this man, the sisters did not ask after her. And even the man did not ask, I think the sister that he helped supposed to find out something from this woman. How's your pregnancy? How are you doing? How are you feeling? They did not ask her anything. After the man discovered that this woman now, God has opened her way, now he want to come back. Let us see this kind of thing. This man not wicked. What of the wife out there? How is going to do that one? What about that one with the children? Because this one now, God has opened her way now. What about the other one now? To face this one? Is it good? Is it good? It's not good. But that's why I need the public opinion. Because the thing passed my power. It passed my power. So after going through this video, put them for there, for the comment box, so that we go see them. Because the thing get us a B. Anyway, this is where I need to stop. If you like me to treat your issue on this channel, contact me. Keep on tuning in till another video will come on your way. Bye.